Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you red color silk saree with contrast blouse combination ideas. So please watch the video till end. Friends, red color silk sarees are very popular in South Indian weddings. Red color saree with contrast blouse is associated with very traditional fashion. We all are know that red color represents love, range, and boldness. Color saree commands a lot of attention and has a strong emotional impact. Usually, all brides love to use red dress because they believe it will enhance their beauty. Nothing draws more attention than the red color saree. Today, fashion is changing every day. Red color silk saree blouse does not have to match the red color saree. Contrast blouses are in trend now. You can pair your red saree with contrast color blouse like green, blue, yellow, and white. Wearing red color silk saree with yellow blouse gives a subtle yet classic and elegant look. You can go heavy on jewelry while wearing this combination, or you work in contrast color thread look good on these kind of yellow blouse. Friends, red color silk saree with blue color blouse is a fantastic combination. A red color silk saree with a royal blue is sure to be a winner. At the same time, a red color Kanchipuram saree with a light blue blouse look fantastic and elegant. It is a one of the combination and a head turner for sure. And another best combination is red color silk saree with green color blouse. It is a winning traditional combination. Yet these combinations has long been a favorite of any brides. Friends, red color silk saree with black color blouse is trendy combination. Cannot be worn by brides, but other can go ahead with this matching red color silk saree with black blouse. Brocade material is usually perfect for this kind of combination. Red with ivory blouse look like horses with a red silk saree. Friends, golden color is another one of the best perfect matching colors for red color sarees. Our classic Indian combination golden and red color saree together is timeless. This kind of golden color blouse with red color saree perfect suitable for wedding, reception and special occasion. Friends, parrot green is a perfect color choice for red color silk sarees. If you wear parrot green blouse with red color saree, it gives you stunning and classic look. Friends, red color is a very beautiful and bold color. You can mix these kind of red horsehair silk saree with different colored blouse. You can wear white, red, green, orange, purple and black color blouse with your silk sarees. Friends, I hope you guys are love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon for immediate notification. Thank you friends and keep watching.